Meditation and prayer practices in Yoruba Tradition. Hello everyone, welcome to Get a Better Life TV. Today we are diving into the transformative practices of meditation and prayer within Yoruba Tradition. These practices are powerful tools for spiritual growth, helping us with the divine. Whether you are new to meditation or looking to deepen your spiritual practice, this video is for you. Let's start by exploring the significance of meditation and prayer in Yoruba spirituality. In Yoruba tradition, prayers are not just rituals, they are essential aspects of daily life. They serve as a means to align ourselves with the divine, seek guidance, and cultivate inner peace. Through these practices, we tap into the energies of our ancestors and Orishas, fostering a deeper connection to our spiritual paths. Thinking of meditation and prayer as a way to create sacred space in your life, a time to reflect, recharge, and receive wisdom. Now, let's introduce you to some types of meditation practices you can explore and embed in your spirituality. 1. Guided meditation. Guided meditation often involves listening to a spiritual leader or practitioner who leads you through the visualizations and affirmations. This practice can focus on connection with your Orisha, healing, or seeking clarity on personal matters. 2. Breath meditation. Breath meditation is a simple yet powerful practice, but focusing on your breath, you can center yourself and quiet the mind. This technique helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, fostering a sense of calm and presence. 3. Nature meditation. Nature holds a sacred place in Yoruba spirituality. Meditating outdoors, perhaps near a river or under a tree, allows you to connect with the elements and the energies of the earth. This practice can enhance your sense of grounding and connection to the universe. Now, let's talk about the role of prayer in Yoruba spirituality. Prayer is a powerful form of communication with the divine. It is used to express gratitude, seek guidance, and request blessings. These are the two categories of the power of prayer. 1. Personal prayers. Personal prayers can be spontaneous and heartfelt. You can speak to your Orisha or ancestors in your own words, sharing your thoughts and asking for support. This informal communication fosters a personal relationship with the divine. 2. Traditional prayers. Traditional prayers often come from the Oduifa and can be recited during rituals or daily practices. These prayers are rich in history and wisdom, connecting you to the broader Yoruba spiritual community. How to incorporate meditation and prayer into your daily life. Let's explore how you can easily incorporate meditation and prayer into your daily routine. Step 1. Set aside dedicated time. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for meditation and prayer. This could be in the morning to set your intentions for the day, or in the evening to reflect on your experiences. Step 2. Create a sacred space. Create a small sacred space where you feel comfortable. This could include images of your Orisha or items that inspire you. Having a dedicated space helps signal to your mind that it's time for spiritual practice. Step 3. Start small. If you are new to meditation, begin with just a few minutes. Focus on your breath or simple mantra. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the time you spend in meditation. Step 4. Use affirmations. Incorporate positive affirmations into your prayers and meditation. Affirmations such as, I am connected to the divine, or I am guided by my ancestors, can strengthen your spiritual mindset. The benefit of meditation and prayer. Engaging in meditation and prayer offers numerous benefits. They can reduce stress, enhance clarity, and improve emotional health. Many practitioners find that these practices help them feel more grounded and connected to their spiritual paths. Ultimately, meditation and prayer are about cultivating a deeper relationship with yourself and the divine. They empower you to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the powerful practices of meditation and prayer in Yoruba spirituality. I hope you feel inspired to incorporate these practices into your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and embrace the beauty of your spirituality.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life.